morning, Group 52. The world is changing all around us. The US stock market is dropping rapidly. Multiple businesses are shutting down, and we're losing food regulation in a system that already allows us to be poisoned through our food and water supply. Yes, it's a lot to keep up with all the twists and turns, the ups and downs of life, but we should do our best to prepare. You should have a solid financial plan. You should have a supply of water and food and even medicine at your own house. But with that in mind, remember, even if you survive the apocalypse, ask yourself, where will my soul go when I finally do leave this earth? Yes, we want a quality life here, and we don't want to check out before time. But make sure in all your planning, you plan to sit down with the great physician of your soul, Jesus Christ. Make sure you do a good checkup and you know exactly where you go when you leave. Thank you, Group 52. Prepare wisely, spend wisely, and have the best week of your life.